Reporting from our headquarters in New York, I'm Will Cager-Smith, keeping an eye on Acuris with some of our biggest headlines last week. First up, Merger Market reported that American startups are becoming even more cautious about accepting money from Chinese investors. The trend is driven by new restrictions on foreign investments in US companies that collect personal data from their users. CFIUS, the US government agency that regulates foreign investment, has traditionally focused on companies that operate in critical industries like cybersecurity and artificial intelligence. The new rules mean more scrutiny for consumer-focused companies such as Grindr and TikTok, both of which are based in the US but majority owned by Chinese firms. Next, DebtWire reported that investors are divided over recent developments in the residential housing market. Leading real estate investment trust MFA Financial reported a rise in delinquent fix and flip mortgages in the third quarter, but its management team brushed off concerns about the trend. They pointed out that home renovators sometimes intentionally miss payments on their mortgages because they know they can pay the debt back after they've sold the property. However, the president of New York Mortgage Trust, Jason Serrano, warned that an increase in refinancing activity could indicate that fix and flip borrowers are finding it harder to sell houses. And finally, Extract Research highlighted covenant loopholes that could impact holders of Travelport's loans. The travel software company, which was taken private earlier this year, is looking to sell its majority stake in payment processor eNett. According to the credit agreement for the loans that funded its buyout, Travelport must use proceeds of the sale to pay down debt. However, it could structure the deal to circumvent those rules and divert the money to its owners instead. Travelport's options include selling eNett in a non-cash deal or distributing its stake in the business to shareholders, who could then sell it and retain the proceeds. And that's our eye on Acuris. Stay tuned for more headlines next week.